Faguna West, Emma Miss Cynthia Morrison, and a would nim any of Fruby Rekeka home. I'm a several more who say COVID-19 no. Ombe politics in chain, I'm yet to marry. Ghana Water Company Limited donate to 4 hospitals. Ghana Water Company Limited, no, yes, COVID-19, no, most about the medical practitioners, no, our moody and Nimono. Kolebu Teaching Hospital can receive 20 packs. Actually, no, ensure on 70 in the greater Accra region, so Omunyabi, and almost 100. And a full baby cake home. And almost a church, and Mamma Silla Braba, the pa, or no, the Tianimon Quest. Local government ministry disinfect 105 market in Upper East. Disinfection also Gusua Aircos is Upper East, and over 105 markets. Yakwako disinfect Wakama. Ghanaian Times will have say the account of Mampanin and Irene, a full account home in our code tested negative. And also, yes, 40 COVID-19 contacts quarantined in Tamale. And also, Yura Salifu Said, and also Nifonida, as a regional minister. Our contact tracing is a course, so no 40, and no more quarantine. Now, I say Ghana's COVID-19 cases jumped to 195, page 14. And Health Minister Rajma Mendudaha, and also, yeah, you can come with some that COVID-19 update. Private burials increase in Accra due to ban on large funerals lockdown.
195 for no the chair say so already no 5 Ephraim. Internet say 190. And at 38 at Tiapo. So we take 38 in free 190 more. Now but 48 now one so omodi no edu time e no coffee and the difference in reality the Ghana kasa won be wo who say no 100. You fancy 100.
And they are responding to treatment.
Oh, they are responding to treatment.
Exactly. Indeed.
It's not in the embassy of body. One way, and also grab a yasem.
And no crying can have.
Yeah, young cat.
Health Ministry of Health now, the baby say, and I'm here. Young cancer, a drobia my pa. Immune system, none. And one. And also, what the bachelor says, pay 13, a Ghanaian Jabba. Said the abandoned rabbi said, me uncle, ye be brain, and a giant Daniel, and Tinisio, Yentrum. Soon yam. With your Sugu Yamwa, Nipa Bear less than 25. Now Monco bought and cook a crabby, Namunco see no crowd distance with moi. And you was a subroom, Montrim Yamia Bibris up, private barriers, no air cosopa, Ghana for Egitum, Ghana for to a larger extent in the yard, dear. Just a few, and I am Catabonia, almost a damn person be comply. Upper East, Upper West markets, lorry parks disinfected, and also a cheap compound. Clinic countrywide get sanitary facilities from a year and for artists and also Ministry of Sanitation for a year Edman Eddie Boa and also AB Ewo Hanum our day Abba. 80 women artists in teaching Ghanaian Times and also and our day by a B and a Yabo Bob or so tell at the amount where you the new crusading guide. No assistant. Akufuado test negative for COVID-19 and also Wadiaba. And we will ensure COVID-19 free Ghana. George Anda and Eka. And what donated hospital equipment, materials. They fight Yadiano. And also Nymphony Edaha. Another COVID-19 panic at Sprinters. Residents agitate over TT Affairs Isolation Center. Also, TT Affairs. And what did you just say? What did you feel? And the facility be ma. Na ye de aye isolation center na aboa se de be ye siga na nyina ye nsom no ono se ne mu obetim de aboa no eno ne se akoba ne se no amanfo wo spenters ne potem ehu se papa yi de na de be mama isolation center na se nkofo yi bi nya bia empotem ha ne de o mbefa de o makwakwa hye sa ba bi no aga na fo bi hospital chese so abo mu ba we ne nyehu esuro bi ani akiri ye de isolation center chese ye be jom so mo ne na mpotem ho da bi ambulance na di omo kwhye onkwohye so anyese omo pie enti di hu bia nim amonkoye ma papa nka se wa withdraw the statement won fama odi amaya mumia nyintum wa ya de bishop titi ofe nyame hira no Mishani papa ni afufuru na support sade we ya the new crusading guide and so ede aba we will ensure COVID-19 free and any medical boss kra dada ewo no coronavirus the US okay we kra dey am no need in ye fi asem na yade we ne basa no a obi a hwende no so ewa ha na ABC news na aba ono so die nie Dr. Baumia launches online school scholarship application system page 5 and e ho ha wonde aba and afi no kra de men kan ho hwe yes abi ne kan ba se ho asem of kroma ho was the President Akufo-Addo AIDS test negative for COVID-19 page 3 and so ha
so mama na yankwa amana so na fe ye Dr. Kenneth Frimpong or a virologist na fe you know embonko doctor otime nka me mo ache no pay
me just opening
wadama na bibia e boko de
kakaka
yo mo amu ye virologist ne den na musua den na mo ye
oh yeah na ye hwehwese na viruses baby o mo pie ba kwan o mo itumi infected kwa mo de yare ba na ichi no down the line no etimi abo mo hwehwe gra na vaccine man.
Okay patrona mo adisuom no virus na ya na hin no mo fritimi ba
free baby opening but mostly no ya no mo baby mo
patro aya na mo tafi emo ho na e ba na
more or less more or less until Bayana generally in San Francisco or about maybe more on your infection on certain Sabwana on any woman because some are evolved together. But some hop from one host to the other and they are not the assembly.
Okay. What am I? The yet to say virus to be why you creating a yampa.
Oh, yeah, possible, but generally, no. There is no reason for you to create a virus, because, well, let me put it this way: it's possible to create them. So when you know genome, no, say ADS, say RSA sequence, you can actually have it synthesized, but I don't mean who that normally so because we synthesize a virus, no.
Okay, until said it is a virus where you critique somebody say do baby there were a lot of conspiracy theories say HIV virus was created, Ebola was created, even this one there are so many other videos, literatures and other write-ups on scattered all over.
No. Okay. Let me not say absolutely no. But that makes me sure on HIV say you probably a immunodeficiency virus and I ocradia BAEZ and no bovine there monkeys moo and all other kind of no as one. So filoviruses and so are distributed around Ebola near there is Marburg and a whole lot of others. And so corona and so on. There is generally they are in bats and then they hop to young fancy their camels and young fancy participate nababi drunipum. Maybe Yaribanaba. And you know, viruses they naturally they are present everywhere pretty much.
Okay. Patroti virus no say oba de peduane mu a wasua ho ade de obetimi aboae den otimi ya otimi say niema ekum cells no wasan end up ekum nipa
niema de so say first of all, the virus the main objective, in fact the only objective as far as can be said and they say obviously multiply. And when you infect a cell, quite a bit of fast would be in the infant cell one a brain. And in the piano, so immune system also several different ways on to be a counter-attack. But generally, the virus is able to overcome the immune system through a whole lot of strategies. What happens then it starts to make multiple copies of itself. Eventually, it results in something called a CPE, cytopathic effect, and then it just gets out, egress, and then it attacks other cells, not necessarily to kill the cell, but to use cell now attacking machinery to make copies of itself. Now the end product of using the cells machinery to make copies is death.
Okay.
I don't know if
Matthias, me questions by me and say me busa no yebetumi aboa me busa the other question na no support.
Yes, sir.
Na for yet to be hu say eti say virus ba nipemu a yemfa a coronavirus ya bai one day can ya say etimi ma uminimu eye oya kakra wo bomba kakra na wo temperature kosoro kakra na bibi nyama nketen kakra sana virus ni nyina wo mu behavior na say virus okay.
But some of them, usually, when you have a temperature rise, it's a sign of your immune system fighting back. Because the rise in temperature, in general, a sign of an infection and your system trying to counter it.
Okay.
So, minimum any of those things, it's understandable because that is the way they enter. Through minimum any the mucosal cells in minimum any minimum any adeno. That is where it is. And the receptor, the main receptor is widespread. It's an ATU2. It's present there.
Pacho, say a banu say na wohinu ni ade no ho be ye na we apem na we kosa asa yare na ba bedru baby a yetimi identify say bia wenya coronavirus no sa between that period na wo ho be no then e koso e wo system no
actual as a matter of fact, now let me make a point. The first to say wo minimum ya bia wo bo wakakra and those things, that doesn't mean so coronavirus. Because there are a lot of other things that bit me across viral and non-viral bit me about the same effect. It is a minimum now about dry cough and it doesn't mean the coronavirus. But at the same time, because we not air cause these same symptoms and what's more any about also now seeking assistance, any clarification say your corona and I say your corona.
Oh, okay.
Now, okay, would it be the other question?
But sorry, would we?
And would let's leave it at that for now. We'll be saying the other now.
Okay. Sa virus yanka say ya kan ho asemi wo mama ya te ase say immune system no stronger. And one can say to me fight it ya virus no na what ya port naturally. Pacho sa sanity.
No, yeah.
Is that supposed to mean it's a virus? No, you're too strong, Anna.
Don't go that way. Don't go that way because yes, your immune system can clear it. But what you have to understand is that a lot depends on also on how many copies of the virus first of all got into your system. In virology, the MOI, multiplicity of infection. What it means, and it's I'm going to say, so we are attacked by 100 individual variants and as a virus, as opposed to being attacked by 1,000,000 viruses. Million no effect on you and can possibly kill you very fast. When the 100 will not be strong enough to overpower your immune system. And how many copies you get exposed to makes a lot of difference. Now, let me use this opportunity now make a few things in part of. I want to say the idea of the face mask. No, young fans say face mask, no, and yet even 100% protective. Now it reduces the effective concentration of viruses that you get by even 30%. That means 30% less viruses now you're exposed to. And I say 30% less viruses now they might be out showing him. It's as much as you can, no. So to me, should face mask maybe, especially so carbon. That's the first thing. Now let's look at the confined space. Young fan saw what dying be more a 10 feet by 10 feet by 10 feet. That is young fan say 1,000 feet cube, right? So we call a dying be more 20 by 20 by 10. That would be about 4,000. A 4 foot larger in volume terms than the one now a 10 by 10 by 10. It is only the same amount of viruses in the two spaces now. Mm-hmm. The amount of virus you'll be exposed to in the higher volume less.
Oh, some.
Yes, sir. And you know, as much as you can, say your person to be all virus maybe share. Now in a confined space, you are more at risk than if you are in a larger space. Okay. It has an implication for infant throttle. So what throttle now overcrowded. You don't want that, especially if the throttle is stationary. I think no kahona o mampenine the Ghana Health Service able to afose my impact throttle too much. The point is, so if the virus takes 10 people and I infant 12 people. You don't want to be the 12th person in the throttle. So move it to me, more have the number of people who can be in the throttle. That is a lot less, that is exposing less people and reducing the effective concentration of the viruses within the throttle. Secondly, so move it not throttle no more. Ideally, if you are in the window spaces now, rather than being stuck in the center, especially if the throttle is not moving. Why? The reason, if the throttle is moving, let's say at 30 miles per hour, now say the windows are open. For every minute, the throttle is moving at half a mile. Into us, the wind will be able to blow out as much as possible, any virus that is shed. If you have a face mask there, you are a lot more protected. I'm not saying it's 100% protected, but you're a lot more protected than if you don't have it. Bottom line, reduce the number of people in the throttle, get to the windows if you can. And what the throttle makes, you don't have to have a hand sanitizer if you don't have it. Per voltic bottle, dissolve some soap in it. That intimate care room. Cover it up, hold through it. Will be the front. She should be. A good in such a long farm for front and sa. Or caught inside, no sardema. He or she is less likely to deposit a live virus than if you don't do this. I don't know whether you are getting what I'm saying.
I'm following you.
But very important. Mm-hmm. So we'll be too quiet from your fancy tamale. Don't assume the person next to you will need it.
Okay.
And even those in the regions are any home match, they need to take practical steps to minimize transmission from one to the other.
So what it means is that if I'm clearly following what you say, traffic you bet me a course.
No, please let's not quote me that way.
Okay.
What I'm saying, it all goes down to the issue of the social distancing. Reduce the number of people who are confined in a space and not America.
Okay. In a space.
Yes, sir. Oh no, I'm done.
Okay.
So another person.
Sana tell them, I mean, we yeah, core school, you train your biology, kitty. Cells, if not all of the cells, where your body is replicating. And essentially reproduce and one home. And none of them merge. Say a banasa, then the Timmy, it's me virus, between bus system name.
So the virus uses receptors on the cells as a door. In Tiampan say, if you know, Yampan say, door, right? And Puma. The virus uses them to enter. In the cells, no, Yampan say, Usha says, Sanya outside a friend of receptors. It means it's receptor at the door. If you be the macropinocytosis, no, a fire infant say cell more or less in the gut, the virus is able to take advantage of that. If you be diffusion, the virus is able to take advantage of that. There are two or so other additional mechanisms that you can use to enter. And you know, that's why I think the remuneration also.
Because let me because I say a replicate now it means the muchache if they don't measure. But I'm saying can be about say so be
actually no. Opening there is even a even more sinister way. The reason is
okay.
Cell virus now one thing everybody spike. The man of friend of corona a spike protein. Even if you have only the spike protein is able to act as a link between an infected cell and an uninfected cell, even in the absence of the virus. So what it ends up doing is it forms something known as a synthesia. It is synthesia formation itself mediated by coronavirus, spike protein, is able to allow the virus to move from one cell to the other through synthesia formation.
Wow. Say it, Yamamimbu Sawe. And Yabiano, sa coronavirus, our relationship with other viruses, and I say,
yes.
Okay. But what trust me, other viruses, man.
Almost frame or downstairs. But let me put it this way. There are additional viruses, coronaviruses, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, and all. There is something called homology analysis. Structure now, one other viruses have the same thing. Where positive strand RNA, there are other viruses that uses RNA as their genome. It's just a chief, and also.
It's a banasa. Sebia obinya coronavirus here. A bit me attract other viruses no more can one answer. We bet me
a very good question, and you have to Chief, young Futina Ghana Health Services Edemayan Newman Tenikano. Young stay inside as much as possible. Hello?
Patromitiopa.
The reason I'm saying that NSA. Sometimes, one virus or even a bacterium can piggyback on the infection by another virus.
Hey.
Well, once it gets in there and it enters, right? Now, say, I'm trying to say, for more CP and I say, synthesia. Now it's allowing other viruses to come in. They will not necessarily use the same. But it opens an avenue. Some of the tests or some of the investigations now on my end, they don't use one single agent to try to kill it by a multiple. To make sure you at the minimum you minimize adventitious infections by other viruses and bacteria.
Wow. So let's just say you stay indoors apart from Sabia Corona no Crabachieno and which we can be attracted to other viruses.
No, that is not what I'm saying.
Okay.
What I'm saying then is you are better off staying as senior Amampeni and Ghana Health Service are advising. If you don't have anything to do outside, stay inside. That is what they are saying. It is the best advice you can get.
Now, maybe some earlier question know about say a bit me attract other viruses. No one sound positive. It's an maybe say men stay inside. Now me here exposed to where I can.
Oh, so if let me put it this way. Let's say yes, stay inside. What's it there? What the other carbon and water good. Okay, and when ya now, you start here and you say something about immune system. Now your immune system is under attack. I didn't care more because your immune system is compromised now. It is your boy. And we should be careful and listen to the advice of the Ghana Health Service and the President in this.
Time where you almost saying that we are seeing now, you say you need a virus in the idea and Ghana Health Service for 3 and 4. My name said I also a foot to be on the bed toss or the man near my bit me a year, a boy and home by a penny. The American say a foot of the man, a good young bishop, a dog wine. You're more than I in now. Ian, a dog wine now was the war outside of the partial lockdown areas. Don't assume.
And this near Numia when no one if I not to create me for qua. We should be careful with that too.
Also, what can I say?
If they can enter every baby at Tokro Dadia, then
what? Hey, Mama, doctor, Bina Musan, why?
A serious question.
Azan, my doctor, Bina. If every tokro be tokro and they can enter any tokro, let's ask if the under canoe tokro too can be susceptible to infection. Aye, na.
Exactly. Yeah, papers no. But now for so, any Republic of Guinea, just sank of what 10 Omuba Kruma test to Omunyom. They cease to be their citizens. Yeah, won't tell me.
Make an amnesty.
I'm so mumpel you, yeah, more mumba is a citizen, you mom, you can afford. No much as one more jump to here. And you pattern, repatriate you, say, I send them back. From the market, a gun of force, and others won't bet you, Omuni been pumped on the bottle. In the form, you will number so we bomb among Famagana, for being Bob, may bomb a blaster. Ubini bibi ya wanya magana for. I know sembo. Na. Yes, Guinea for no cancer, Burkina Faso say. Se Burkina Faso no. Ghana for tintirin tisi de ombeba, almost yankro for a yaro Burkina na. Ondo meguka guka mabre. Tis asem na no edin. I ne no so page semponi. Kata page nim. I feel for baby na. The ABC News the by now. Them DVO papers in your daily post. Mahama urges compassion and fellow feeling for the poor. And also the atu say 14 days partial lockdown. You say you benya or donia tin kanya badayam yahu especially womu mundi bi. Akufado and Kaba. Ahanti today. Bank mamoso.
Fatu baby.
I would yaba. Inti on the asema sikruma nyina do church yebino no. I just say Ukraine. I something BBB.
That rage one is here. So Kase Bia Mahama.
And the company I come from.
Rage one is here.
A mechanical. Enti you no.
Okay, me know what 3 minutes.
And upon our Kase Yamunkrophobia. Mombe aswa deno.
Say go.
Before also. And I'm for Kirby and just Davano just one in and then you can give them and now come conform so go for you free to move democracy
and conform as well.
And I'm saying why democracy by the crown good them.
Me the video be am you are my letter na you are the at
understand
and conform one Iran any Italy any Spain why you fast why you see one person
and the way up go for
I want to let you know they are too wide.
Tna them.
What shall we? Said the 2 hour shot. Who say yes? What they near
okay, yepa. Mampani ni so why we. When you car born. Kaya yo for in a home. Near from I and near Kaya yo for. Now, Nakazan and Nijis work any for good them. We should just respect it.
Say companies in the for the schools in the
exactly.
When you teachers in the messages in Yana me on my phone so.
Oh.
The 2 weeks pay, also be a Jumana 2 weeks pay. Nippon made to bet me in a Didia as on mobile who you.
As a
know what 3 minutes interview to tell me here. But your life boy, Hobomodi, sir, open seminar, I will feel what the big Jerry said and Quadano. Nko for Habian family nkodane dia wo hia live boy mpanifo nso sa unya live boy ni bia sese COVID-19 ya bai ebeboa pa and then seminar sese utime de hohoro wonsa nsuo no guse baba na wo ho atimi ato social distancing no ekoso but Airtel go say yetwam de ntia yetwam ina na say ubenya data ne mo to be video call na connect wanim say ya wo hwemanim na mhwe wanim na ye bon komo sa besa kasa wo phone so oh memfe ni agro the dial star 111 hash one year miensa no the hash now what to say bam with them Airtel go live is simple total Troxy club no ho trotro taxi drivers mo club no still aye bosso wo dia ne say wo don ho bedon wo koka ho a BBC pine 6000 Ghana cedis wo kwa dia fa bon ho bra na fe wo the driver phone num ekoka ho a ye be che wade busumi bia driver phone makoma 300 enso ma mo fuel so e free still ya e bosso awake purified drinking water enso e wo ho enso papa e one for life Casa Preco Company Limited and I yin swe friend 0262351251 ya bejo so na fe yetime ene o agro ho nyina no pe wonya nkwadom online abomode na fo ani chadom online na fe betima hwe social media handles na Facebook ne YouTube na so ye wo ho ma menko ahoma isuda me ne eja Eric or say ewo UK ento so eja Eric ma che
me Joseph Patrick
that bibia boko de
nyame adom bibia boko
land na bonten so ye boko
nya boko be
twamfoni chen Ghana fa wo ho te say den e koso eja ya ne ye mo hyehye en kakra
na de make me a part ya ready say I was say obi ready happen serious because when you say bidri say ya bro na she been benwa yengina can be I don't know they say ya bro nya jade but last 2 weeks ana me yirinya idi kind of as you say yet one me who sign bia say bia oyare na ne Sunday you fear na ni yapini friend say okay shopping because minim say no no internet so and for shops ko tonti in the nini na inti and I'm so yejuma hospital NHS inti no shops ni bi say o mom yejuma hospital ni na no ombe mom kwan no me bi shop na mom kwan mom ba be shopping inti me man kata wano nini ana be fan no de ne call Sunday no when the be 2 hours e wo shop into bi du fie no afidi wati ni tiania I'm so okay. With your head, Yakodakakra. I feed you free ben, you may be 9. None of why she won't be found Sankano. Body no, I read no mono. I say, Odon Sakanoa, or say it in any year. And only free honor, the chicas any free, the con sa cofone cheap, sub you a ban of previs, or say Hoyenia. And I'm yes, okay, in a day. Young free hospital, no more. Number, Audrey say, when you're corona now free. And you're free 111. Based on questions, no Mubisan or phone, no say answer, no the mom. And I'm yes, and you're bedding. Or the ambulance, be bad fun. How much no, Saturn Nabo Bear, how much be one. Now, Captain, you deny phone almost 2 hours, and son of more phone no. And yes, so much a do a busy on my intia. Inti, yet now how much in or mamma, Sebio, symptoms need to say, temperature go very, very high. Nipa no so ben nipa no a who sen ho ahye who feel heat ni sen ho ahye na ni breathing so no na nyanya short say bi a obi breathing na bi a or pante kakra inti ambulance na ma amaka che say waiting time between 4 to 6 hours because my very, very busy and yet na hono na the mechanic say the man who said so being your be or your dofo or your yere or your bushnia, yes, so no isolate yourself. But 20 minutes, Jenny Panos, no one that die back our yari, said, on to me, yashi. Odawa is really good. But one and tia obre. The danger, and said, the more now Odawa knows me, kun. Sanity, the more now Odawa address the way you're comfortable. No, yes. But also, now, until I went to me home, went to me, Bibia. Into hospital, no mamma, into refurbishment for movie, and I'm the 2 many. And I remember you say, Mempe, ginger name, lemon name, apple cider vinegar, and I'm yebi. Million gun now, a 2 day. And I will say BBI because I didn't know your man, me be man no that. But on who said do baby I didn't. Or no moon be some say, you should be man. You share none of every year and on me banana and I free hospital no. Because also what did you how you feeling? Say ne an ambulance in the back captain me a tremor a week and a half. Because of my very, very busy. You think I can't no.
But London are 7 who can you?
Oh, London I'm making. More London.
Okay.
Yeah, more London. Ain't you know, say, Ubetina ho, Ubuha, or Bidi Sabia, me nebi. Oh, medium number draw, or medium ye fit. But until say be better no, a honor or body me better say, or system ye weak and I say you weak. Na the intake to phone terminal say, Nipa brew ya showman. Respiratory way no, Akuma yare anyway no, Ubo nim no dinam. It's so more within 2 to 3 days. If be kuma, a be more who's a become. Because Sabio, my wife, dear no, a chain and your man to a homachina your ambulance for no, a intense for about 4 hours. A homachina na Jenny Panho. Wow, Ben knows what ocean knows what. Yes, so be to me, maybe. A good baby, or die, Sabio Nasa or Casas will be Casa hallucinating. So, no. Into no message here for any nomination for Morgan and say, and now good deal. And now good deal. Until say, Patrick,
da can we hear me pa say until say
ebeto and I say nipa no te odofo benye bi no captain ho na be say very out na edin because and ben wa who how serious is it here
say ne what to say
nyame adom ne ho ye was schedule say Monday no schedule say because e ba ne sa no your quarantine me or no and me ba yina yin shift yimpi even so to ade online for na delivery ne ba ni kwan so bi do no so ade ni e wo se ni panede package na wato no e to form emia bell no se bi wo so be free do na no akota na me car nim and sana wo no si kuma befa no contact.
Wow, do sika to ade na ye de bra no kura no eni kwan so obo bell eni kwan so ubie
eni kwan so obi account na som.
Wow.
Ono na odi deliver ni ba no company no ye mamom no a oda ni say eni kwan say oye exchange say hand to hand exchange ana say deliver na wato no omo de ba omo scan ni barcode no no I dey no assign e wo omo computer part go to anso and no kran ni kwan so into no the package no be to don no no me abdon na wo be fa no hu so be fa no assign no pad no so ma say delivered into how serious our economy it's all question we are between something.
It is a ban sano na what we ho no what test ni bi what test a ban saying
no a ban sa o mon testo so mo quarantine wo mon testo o ma o shefi na dey also you say 14 days na the man because ye from no anon busa your wife so ni perform it why ano did you date of birth ni bia ma into social isolation note na me send you no na obonse me din the date of birth I say minimum power na be tv no so ntaka o de command e wodwumi na me na e ba ne sa no for some reason no me yema hye because me huni se nipa na o yare no panic usuro so enam de ekoso nyina na ono no wanya bi no o panic ntino na me na te no se mission panic dia se be words but deep down inside me media na ya dia na hu abom but na me person me sure to no
simpacha kola na ho ye
nyame adom obia ho ye na captain dia ya me say edrube bi na wo say die me no koda na fufu no so ye den eda bedroom ano untimi nda wo no free dem now ne da dem sa de bia no she say wo da living room untimi nda said you sa homachi no ti bibi ye no and as pain no get intense unti into the whole 2 days now me yes okay I was you say no me isolate myself properly no mintimi nda e hwanam ka chen say me bibi e hwanam dan kwa mintimi nda intuni no ba be down chin no show said you say bichimia maybe that's me now because again so no you know it keeps functioning with someone it keeps functioning na the other four move you some say omun sefi ya mama sefi 14 days captain me ho papa me ni pam perfect na say me tifi no me ejuma 14 days so sefi ana baby am tenen so how you do me fu ko unhuni paso mo ko ba obi be board do matter is what I did bro
na wonko a wo shefie
onko a shefie ni small boy shefie
14 days
shefie no I can come so o ti de bia no djumi kan no akote tempo ma no no o hwe pakwa wo kwa na hwe pakwa wo ba because if it na ya yin but better so be shefie no ase wonko dan so be di agro in becho
eti why feed you na di how many days answer echo
I think from Sunday my buy you know it take be a week but a conform kakra so a conform kakra based on sebio a dra me mystery fear action say yan say me be stand we no eboa so no na me hu say since ni kwan see etina na ye twen ma BBC siansa na ya no me say ngro no e bibido ne ye so nya papa nkwa ebeboa system nkwa dia ni ahwe didie mu nyi ni akata ye honene ya gloves because obaye no our cousin tie ne no e hwanam suspected say ibia or them sakusu bidim because shop now walk on ne walk up and down unyi pa we can be so man sana wo kusum so e no me shops ne doors ne bibia ehu enframamu obawa obenya bi na captain mamenka saying we into us na into us na before say omobaye my lockdown ni ekwadwuma ni bibia ana one day me full bus na me call full double decker so hono intimate na so no me de me earphones be shima so mabonum na ija me de charge ne no me yes me de earphone shima so na do ni bi otimenim be ma obowa ehwa na me fa me bag man yesu me jan kamanim bas na ti to jata me bi nyanche me wife ehwa na me ma me bag so bas na ti ana mkoshe na yesu me jan kamanim Na the amana ese kakra ne say se nipa no oni coronavirus kwa no peso obo wa kekempa no suro because onyaba wa obi a wa around the bia dem ni behwe no so no bi atwetwe no
Charlie
Pachote
Meteo pa Bera na o nya easy sao
oh brother hu na me no say ye nyina edi agro ye koba ana say bi adwuma me ye no me den me a property manager so I deal with people every day so o se ho me se mo office ma se gloves ma se nose masks sebe obi ba building ma e also share nipa no one ne kasa didn't know about building him appointment whatever it's easy so be contact because who so doors so who so doors we need pe kasa who share nipa obi bowa uni ma de kron ana say no ko for work around me nim video no a car doors wo apaka o car na eti bon na nko for na mahomati sabi o think to show fan nsema na o da fa car door
I mean who say video be say go round
yeah
so be
car door ho ne o door
o car door no some pepepa na obi ana che so de amount
oh yeah na eba ni sa no a ye be chew sabio for instance me de na oba na yare na ye man isolation note from the hospital semi pia bontene na bia me shop so me kotade abra ese me nhefi na me ko shop na bia symptoms ni yi ne ho kutua bi me sha se me bowa na fever kutua bi ba ni e ambulance na ambulance for no ba na me catch them say ya man isolation note abra me pie no a me ho betimi a kire me
hey
yeah because she my isolation note from the hospital say only ni pa or tifie will be
okay
inti ni kwanso opie inti se mi pie na me ko show signs bia wa bontene ko bowa na bia ye ambulance na whatever ni hu say ya mama isolation note am hu betimi a kire me inti mi fie sa mi pie inti no brother we won't pass a yension ye now measures government are putting in place now a beboa many pabetom hoase when your punishment and when you Ghana problem on where you global baby so no would you see 2 weeks no ya debit cha unkona wo save
e video si bi wo Italy ni Spain ni ade wu pia ade e de ye wo no so mu a specially strict
oh yeah just say no government now say so I enforce emrano kese wa hana nipa bidibidi agro and I think see come hankasa no for the past 2 weeks I feel nipa who say serious because still nana nko for this ago no more because Boris on taking no more serious so Boris ain't taking no more serious now other countries they shut it down Italy France any other countries they shut it down or they also yanko adwuma will be one or say a true side of food. So it's like you telling people say they should admit say or more loved ones be will be am penisa. Into sabi you will be am pese be being to be bet or no buy na when you be no. Go for a crab in them come ha a young with the said Boris and Yabi.
580 1 with 0 being called Pansa Bishop Wa Okahon. Pastor John Opoku entry uwo Israel we yere eka ho Pastor